Mike MDs, thanks for joining me today. I'm doing an oil service on this customer's car and he's got a strip drain plug. I was able to remove it, but when tightening it, it just keeps spinning. So I'm going to show you how to repair these on an aluminum oil pan.
You're going to want to use a TIME-SERT kit, much better than a helicoil, because you're going to be pulling that bolt in and out over time. So you want something sturdy here. And each kit is kind of different depending on what manufacturer you use. This is BMW one here, and they have about 2 versions. This is the most common version. It is a 12 by 1.5 kit. I'll show you how to do it. Some of these kits will come with a driver. This one did not. I have my own set. If you don't have anything like that, you can use a set of sockets and find the right size.
All right, so what you're gonna wanna do after all the oil drains out is you're going to screw this bit by hand all the way through. It's gotta be even and straight. And just go all the way through, in and out.
All right, we're gonna give the hole a counter bore, or kind of chamfer the edge here. And we're gonna use this tool, and you're gonna go put it in, and once it stops at this second tooth here, then you're done. And this is very important that this is straight as well.
The nose goes in kind of like a guide, and you start turning. Once it bottoms out on that second tooth, or that step on the tooth, then you stop. It's got to be even on all sides. All right, clean it a little bit, some brake clean. You can see it has a nice bevel on it here now.
All right, next we're gonna use the tap some threads into it. We're gonna use this guide sleeve so we go in straight.
All right, looking good so far. Nice threads in there. This will be using the SERT installer here, and this will go right over it. You want to use some kind of lubricant on here before. And you're going to put it on there, and we're going to add some Loctite to this here. All right, now you screw this in here so it bottoms out and seats in nicely. Once it's in, you can back the tool back out, and it should come out without pulling the SERT out. All right, there you go. The SERT is in there, and now you can put the drain plug back in and torque it to spec. Thanks for watching Mike MDs. I'll see you on the next one. Happy motoring to you.